Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. Before we do that though guys, I went to Coinbase to sell my USDC for USD. I'm sure you heard about this USDC becoming depegged from the US dollar. Right here you can see it's down to 92 cents. At one point it was down to 88 cents. So I wanted to sell my USDC for USD, and when I went to Coinbase, they've halted conversions between the two. So I did notice with BingX they have an option to convert right here. So if you send your USDC to BingX, you can actually convert your USDC to USDT to get around this. I posted that I did this in Discord. So I sold $12,261, only got $11,000 back. I wanted to play it safe and get out. Guys, if you want to sign up for BingX, my link's pinned in the first comment description. But just want to cover that, guys, and just show you one option if you want to get out of your USDC, because I think Monday Coinbase said they're going to start allowing people to convert, and we might get a bank run. So again, just want to play it safe and giving you an option if you do want to get out of USDC. Alright guys, so let's go back to this. So if you watched yesterday's video, I told you it was likely we could have some upside. I gave you some upside targets. I'll link this video now if you want to check it out. But I said we were at strong support because of this ring, and I said if we push up, likely point short was around 21K. Notice this line right here, 20,900. You can see we came up and we hit that line to the tick and got rejected. So your key resistance to pay attention to now is around 20,882. Your current key support is 20,070. If we break that, your next major support is around 19,321. If 19,321 breaks, this is going way the hell down. These are your current support and resistance levels to pay attention to. That's why I said 21,000 was a likely point to short. So currently your resistance to watch right now is 20,354, and your current support to watch is around 19,951. I'm still in my short, guys, on BitGet, guys. If you want to sign up, my link's pinned in the first comment description. I'm up around $8,700 on this trade, and I'm going to stay in it. If we push up, I might add to my short, but I do think we have a lot more downside. Just what's going on with that Silicon Valley Bank and USDC. There's just, I think the contagion has started. But guys, that's it. If you do want to sign up to get access to these charts, websites, opticrypto.com. The link's pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. I'm out. Trade safe, trade smart.